In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to go live on the Poppo app and receive your own earning. And if you watch this video till the end, I'll also let you know about other apps that you can use to make money on the internet. If you are a total beginner, you are new, don't worry. In the description of this video, I will drop a link to all the videos I've done on Poppo app and also a link to my Telegram group where you can join and have link to register to all the apps that I have been talking about. All right, so let's go to the practical aspect of this video. You are welcome to the practical aspect of this video. One thing you should know is that before you go live, you must have done your face authentication. And if you are watching, you are unable to do it, let me know in the comment section, okay? So once you are on the Poppo app, there is live, there is a panel, there is moments, there is message, and there is home. So for you to go live, all you need to do is to come and click on the live right here. When you tap on it, you are going to see another live right here that is in the pink color live. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you up here. So there are some information you need to put in. You need to put the title of your live stream. You can even just put a hi or welcome to my party or my live stream or anything. So you now select, do you want to make friends, dancing or whatsoever. I always leave my own in make friends. Then down here, you are going to click live, okay? Then here that you're seeing my own blue, yours, you might not see it. So you click on it so that it will be checked like this. So once that is done, you are going to click on live. But meanwhile, you can also add some emoji. Like I used to use this beauty to make my face to be smooth. You can add some glass or anything. You can do makeup. You can make your nose point and all that. So once you are okay, you can go ahead. Like me, I always love using the beauty so that my face will be smooth. So then you click on go live and voila, you have started your live stream. And you have to do this live stream for 1 hour. But meanwhile, there are some features on the live stream that I want to show you. You see this mic sign down below. This is what you use to bring people up. The reason why you are seeing all these people is because I already opened a panel with my other phone. So it's still showing them here. So all you need to do is click on this mic, and then anybody that join your live stream, if the person wants to talk to you, you tell the person, click on the mic so that I will bring you up. And once you tap on it, you see the person. If you want to accept the person, you will click. Meanwhile, this particular place, these lines, 3 lines, you can use it to mute yourself in case you are doing your live stream and you don't want people to hear what you are saying in the background in your house or anything. Another thing I want to show you, this particular icon right here. If you click on it, you'll be able to see how long you have stayed, so that you do your 1 hour tax. Like this one is showing you, it will show you 0/60. So you need to stay till 1 hour, okay? Once it's 60/60, you will see receive. So you click to receive it, and that is how you have make your earning or do your live stream for the day. And if you are okay, you click on the X and then click on okay. That means you have done your live stream. So peradventure you have done it halfway, you can always go back to do it again, okay? And then another thing I want to show you right here, you will see that the points that you receive, it will be added to the amount of money you can withdraw. And if you forget to receive it that time, you can click on the reward and it will still bring you to this place, just like that icon you saw in your live part, in your live stream, so that you will be able to see how long you have stayed and how many is remaining, or receive your points, so that you'll be able to withdraw your earning, okay? So in the comment section and in the description of this video, I'll drop a link on how to do your party tax. I've done a detailed video on that. And for those that want to learn other apps that you can use to make money, I'll drop the link to the video in the description of this video and in the comment section as well. And in the next video, I'm going to also show you practically on how you can also open a panel to host people, plus the benefits of doing all that, like this, how you can open a panel, people to come and do their tax, what are the benefits and all that. If you are interested in the video on how to open a panel, kindly comment how to open panel on Poppo, okay? So that I will see people that are interested. I will do that video and I'll come and reply to you with a video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Give this video a like. It really means a lot for me. And drop a thoughtful comment, okay? Thank you so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.